Into this video, I'm gonna tell you a very powerful strategy if you're looking to be finally profitable at trading. It works on any time frame from the 1 minute to the 5 to the daily. It works on Forex, crypto and stocks. The results of this strategy are insane, and I personally, after many years, I still implement this strategy in my trading. It's very mechanical and rule based, so bring a paper and pen and write everything down because I'm gonna give you multiple examples, so by the end of this video you can close the video and then go trade it yourself. Once you back test it yourself, you're gonna be amazed by the results. So what I'm looking for a strong push for the upside or downside caused by news, earnings, whatever in stocks, and in Forex is gonna be this news I'm gonna put here, and in crypto anything related to the crypto world, war between countries, anything that can affect the crypto. So we're gonna implement a fundamental and technical analysis in this. So I'm looking for a strong push like this one right here, okay? Pay attention to this push. It was caused by news. It's very important to be caused by news. I'm gonna explain why later, okay? So this push for the downside. Good news, the stock is heading downside so hard. And then we get to this part, which is the consolidation. The stock is trying to get back up, okay? It's very important. Once we see this consolidation around here, we must know that there is few sellers taking profits, so it's slowing down, and buyers trying to buy, so they're gonna buy and put their stop losses around the lows. It's very important to understand this, okay? So once it breaks up the low, we're gonna take a sell here, okay? So around this area, I'm gonna take a sell myself. So here we entered our sells because we enter against the majority, against the losers in this case. We enter a sell here. You can put your stop loss anywhere you want. I personally don't want to put it here because sometimes it hunts. I'm gonna make a big stop loss in this situation. Even here, it's okay, just to protect myself from stop hunting from market makers. And you can target whatever you want. 1 to 1 is okay, 1 to less is okay. People think is 1 to like 0.50 or something, or 0.70 is bad. No, it's very good if you have a very high win rate, okay? So that was the first example. Let's go to the second example on meta. I'm gonna give you multiple examples so you can understand this very good. So let's see this move right here. This is a very big move caused by news. It's very important to be caused by something, because if you're gonna trade this without the news, it's gonna fail a lot. I'm showing you the A plus setup. A very big news. It's trying to go up, okay? It's fading right now, okay? Can you see the volume going up is very low? So in these situations, where I prefer to sell or take my positions is a supply and demand zone, or zones where they rests, like this one right here. Around this area is very good. So it gets to this area, as you can see. I take a sell. You can put your stop loss over here, but I don't recommend it. You can make it a little bit higher. I recommend this more to take a little bit space to breathe if the market makers want to hunt you. So you take it here, you take whatever profit you want, 1.50, it's okay, it's amazing. Even if you want to take partials, so 150 you take partial, and then around the 2.50 partial, you choose the partials you want. I personally hold it to 1 to 1 and leave just 10% to 1 to 3, 1 to 4, it's okay. So another winner here. As I tell you, this strategy is amazing. It has a lot of profitability in it. Okay, again, I'm gonna give you example on crypto right here because I want to show you it works on anything. We have a very bad news about crypto around here. We can see the push, a very hard push for downside, okay? And now I want to test you. Where are the zones we are looking for to take our sells here? I personally looking to 2 zones. This one, because it's a zone of rest, supply and demand, or this one, if it reaches, okay, it's starting to reject here, amazing. I'm gonna take this sell, put it here or here, whatever you want, and I'm gonna target 1 2.5, 1 2.6. At this particular example, it's a very good winner too. You can target even 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Amazing results, as I show you. Amazing results. After you see the whole video, go back, test it yourself. You're gonna be amazed. Okay, now I'm gonna show you an example on Forex. It works in anything, okay? So we have this move here caused by news on the Forex market. It's Euro USD on the 1 minute. So at this move, I'm gonna take 2 seconds here to guess where are the zones we can take buys from. So we're looking for the major zones around here, okay? So there is this zone, but it's a minor. I don't want the minor zones. I want the general, which is this one around here, okay? So let's focus on the big one around here. I'm gonna wait and see when the price fades, when sellers start to think, oh, we can fight the trend, we can fight the news trend, which is what we're looking for. And I'm gonna see what the price is gonna do when it reaches this area. Okay, the price finally reaches around here. We take our buys once we we see a reaction. You can put the stop loss here or here, whatever you want. I'm personally gonna mark 1-to-1 risk to reward, and let's see. Boom, it works. Another winner. I have given you multiple examples here so you can understand that this works on anything. Must be by news. And why by news? Because news is the thing that you can't fight. Even market makers are scared. If you pay attention in Forex, once there is news, the spreads get widen up. But why is that? Because a lot of market makers or the providers of liquidity are scared during this time. So they take their liquidity off the broker, and therefore the spreads get very wide. So it makes sense. Even market makers can't stop hunt really good in news. So that's where we must enter. We combine fundamental analysis and we combine news in it. So it's two things in our favor. Remember, this is an edge game. The more you're gonna put more edge in your side, the more you're gonna win. This strategy, does it work every time? No, but it has a very high success rate. If you pay attention, if you put the stop losses as I told you, if you make a room to breathe, if you mark 1-to-1 or more, you're gonna be profitable by time. Not just one trade, but the majority of trades, you're gonna be very profitable. I showed you part of my secret strategy today. If you like this video and if you practice it and found it's profitable, please consider subscribing to see more. I'm gonna be uploading more useful videos just to show you that we can win this game. I'm not selling you anything. I'm not asking for any favor, just to hit the like button if you like this video, or if you don't, it's okay too. And as always, see you soon.